We're a nonprofit coalition of 159 congregations, organizations, and individuals promoting public policies to improve the lives of Alabamians with low incomes. Arise has worked since 1988 to promote dignity, equity, and justice for all Alabamians. We believe in breaking down policy barriers that limit opportunity. We believe public policy should make it easier, not harder, for struggling families to make ends meet. And we believe no one in our state should be hungry, especially not school children. We're excited to have more than 200 supporters here today for our annual legislative day. We're here today to thank our lawmakers for appropriating money to expand no-cost school breakfast for the first time ever in 2025, and to ask them to ensure a no-cost breakfast is available for every child in Alabama's public schools in 2026.
I am proud to be standing with so many supporters, but especially nearly 50 child nutrition directors from across the state of Alabama. We are here not only to advocate, but to say thank you. Last year, our legislators and Governor Ivey demonstrated strong leadership by investing $7.3 million to close the reimbursement gap for schools serving universal free breakfast. That investment made a meaningful difference for districts across Alabama and for thousands of children who depend on school breakfast to start their day. Because of that support, more students are walking into classrooms nourished and ready to learn. But our work is not finished. Breakfast is more than a meal. It is fuel for learning. It provides essential protein for growing bodies, whole grains for sustained energy, fruits and vegetables rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and milk for calcium and vitamin D. When breakfast is offered at no charge to students, participation increases, attendance improves, nurses report fewer morning stomach aches and headaches, teachers see better focus and behavior in the classroom, families experience meaningful financial relief, and academic outcomes improve. Offering breakfast at no cost removes stigma. It removes paperwork. It removes barriers. And it ensures that every child, regardless of zip code, has an equal opportunity to succeed. Today, we respectfully request continued support and an increase in funding to $14 million. That investment would allow districts that currently cannot operate under the community eligibility provision or offer universal free breakfast to do so. It would move us closer to ensuring that every student in Alabama can begin the day with a strong start. Healthy school meals at no cost for all students are not an expense. They are an investment in families. They're an investment in communities. And they are an investment in the future workforce of our state. The Built by School Breakfast campaign is about more than food. It's about building stronger learners, stronger schools, and a stronger Alabama. We are grateful for the progress made. We are thankful for the partnership of our legislators, and we look forward to continuing this work together so that every Alabama student has a strong start and a strong finish.
I am so excited to see all of you in the People's House today. Right. This is your house, so to Alabama Arise and to Alabama Arise Action, I wholeheartedly support this because I was one of those that was pushing it last year because I know that a healthy breakfast is the first lesson of the day. It fuels young mind before the bell even rings. When children eat well in the morning, they learn better all day. School breakfast for all of our children is not a handout. It is a hand up for learning. Our kids deserve better. I am one of these folks that always, legislators that push strongly for public education. We are making so many strides. We now are 84. And I tell folks that I'm so excited. This is public school week right now. And so we need to be pushing to make sure that every child in our school systems across the state, across the region, in every city, in every county, and most of all, statewide, have a free lunch so that we can continue the upward mobility to make sure that our kids not only start first, but they also finish first. So I thank Alabama Rise and all of these wonderful volunteers. When I walked in, I was somewhat overwhelmed, but I tell you what, I am energized. From Mobile all the way to the Wiregrass to Huntsville, we can make this happen because it's not about us. It is about our children. Thank you.
Andre Morgan with WSFA. What is the biggest obstacle annually that you all find as you all continue to come to the People's House to try and get people to understand how important this is?
After COVID, I believe many were able to see the impact of free meals for all. I do believe at that time there was a shifting in knowledge base and even support. So I wouldn't say there have been less obstacles than in the past. I really felt we felt a shift last year for support. It is, ensuring that the funding is there to do it. You want to make sure that other needs are secure as well. So our legislators, I believe, they are very responsible in doing that, and they've had open ears and they've expressed their support, and we're very thankful for that.